The lopopvsys solar PV combiner box offers robust protection with a 15 ampere fuse and a voltage lightning arrestor, safeguarding your solar setup from electrical surges and reverse currents. This combiner box is versatile, accommodating various photovoltaic systems with different voltage capacities, ensuring compatibility with any solar panel brand. Installing the combiner box is straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly design that does not require any tools to open or close, making it suitable for any regular surface. Each solar panel connected to this box benefits from its own fused connection, providing reliable overvoltage and overcurrent protection, which is essential for both residential and commercial systems. The inclusion of a lightning arrestor adds an extra layer of protection against lightning-induced surges for both the positive and negative poles. The quick connect and disconnect feature simplifies maintenance, allowing users to efficiently manage their solar panels and quickly restore service when necessary.